Actually, soon gonna be Halloween. Cash Hunt 7X. Baby. Ooh. Come on, Cash Hunt, where are you? Yes? More? Cash Hunt. Stay there! I'm screaming like a dolphin. Cash Hunt 7X multiplier. It was ultra screaming. 100X here. Ka-ching 7X on that. Magic happens. Ooh. Good luck. 100X over there. Woo! What's there? I saw that. Bye. Do that thing. La 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 la. Do that thing. This my music together with this music is something awkward, right? No, ladies and gentlemen, now you decide. Whoa, Max wrote. Exactly, it's whoa. You're annoying. So I apologize. But Bunny wrote the time nice. Nice Bunny. The nicest bunny I ever saw in my life is you. Teddy wrote, whoa, that's true. So make decisions. Do this, shot. Shot. Just shot. No, come on. You see what you see. Oh, somehow it was there. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. 6,476 placements on this round. Compliments to...
Dad says how to win question mark. 1 with 15X. Well, the only way to 100% not lose is to not place a bet. But how to win? Well, there's a chance you might win if you place a bet. So, it's up to you to decide. Well, where you been all this time? Welcome back. Here's Crazy Time, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. The key under the door. See ya. Welcome, everybody. Crazy Time is here, finally. Good day, Penguins. Yes, Penguins, of course. Green, blue, yellow flappers now to choose from. Take your favorite color. Take your favorite spot, whichever one it's gonna be, and then just hope for the best. Yeah, it's gotta be. Hey, incredible Hulk. Hulk, by the way, good to see you again. Most players, 38%. Going for blue. 27%, I believe, to yellow. Now, good luck, everybody. $25 for green, 10X for yellow. Double, where most people are going for, is on the blue. Bang! All right, everyone, setting off now on another journey. Now 200X can potentially be our result. Another double. Ladies and gentlemen, the McDouble definitely sounds like a McDonald's order. That puts us on a 400X. Come on, we can do it. Well, 400X is our maximum. Let's go. Another double. The double. What is that like? How far can McDonald's go? How big is that burger now? That sounds like a huge burger. We have 800X burger. You remember Pink Panther? I want the hamburger. Good luck. Another double. The double. That's 4 doubles, right? Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Am I dreaming? Most people are going for blue. Now, 1,600 extra attention. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Another double. You're kidding me. What? 5 doubles. Ladies and gentlemen, am I dreaming? My fingers not going through my hands. 3,200 potentially. Come on, baby. Go turn, she'll turn. How long do I have to dance? I don't mind, I love it. Oh, well. I mean, 480.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.